I wanted to study psychology after going to therapy for the first time when I was 17. As many teens are, they're very reluctant to go to therapy, but I realized after about a year of that it can be a really life-changing tool. I chose to come to UNH Manchester after going to community college for the first 2 years. UNH Manchester had all of the opportunities that I was looking for. I wanted small class sizes and a more tight-knit community. Transferring here was a really easy process for me. My academic advisor helped me select courses that would make the transition smoother. She knew that it can be really nerve-wracking coming from a small school and going to university.
I'm always available to answer any questions that you have. If you need to make an adjustment, let me know. You can come on in and we can always talk about making a schedule change so that it fits your best needs.
My favorite thing about the psychology program at UNH Manchester has got to be the professors. I've worked really closely with quite a few of my professors outside of the classroom and research opportunities. One professor helped me find an internship that is what I'm passionate about and hoping to do post-graduation. I'll be working in the behavioral health unit at Southern New Hampshire Medical Center. After graduation, I'll be going directly into my master's program for licensed mental health counseling. My long-term goal is to be a licensed therapist for teens and kids. UNH Manchester has given me a really strong foundation for my future career in counseling.